Arwakini machiegni weche manyien makagi kacha. Nyinga Milton Ochieng. Doho mamalo golo chik mondo chung chenro mar go chapa nyinge jogo manowal kaka commissioners mag IEBC kanyakla gi chenro margi machamo muma. Kata kamano doho yiene od bura mondo dhi mbele gi timo nonro ewi commissioners go koriwo koda ka jakom manowal Erastus Edung Ethekon. Bende burano koro chwal ne jang'ad bura maduong' mondo mi owal duol mar jong'ad bura mabiro winjo kendo ng'ado bura ewi moko kuom weche manoketie kwayono. Ma biro bang' jang'ad bura Lawrence Mugambi wacho ni weche ma osebedo kawuok e burano owinjore oyang matut kaluwore gi weche moko mosebedo kanyuolo paro mopogore opogore e thurka.
It is not premature or speculative. Anything that is done outside the Constitution and the law warrants the intervention of the court at whatever level of the process. And this court, as the authority, that pending the hearing and termination of this petition, a conservative order is hereby issued forbidding and or preventing the gazettement, taking of oath, or assuming of office by the interested parties, namely Erastus Edung Ethekon, Anne Jering Deritu, Moses Altara Mkwana, Mary Karen Sorobit, Hassan Nur Hassan, Francis Odiabo Odwol, Fahima Harvat Abdar, or any other person or persons as the chairman or commissioners of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission. For avoidance of doubt, the vetting and approval process in the National Assembly may proceed but subject to this order. B. This file is hereby forwarded to the Chief Justice for empowerment of an even number of judges to hear and determine the petition pursuant to the provisions of Article 165(4) of the Constitution. Course shall be in the course.